Hello my friends, welcome to Instant Electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha. Well, today we have another product on our bench. So this is Shokz OpenRun SE bone conduction sport headphones, 2 years of warranty. It was a Black Friday deal a while ago actually, and I still have it unboxed just because. And today is the day that we will play with this toy. So let's see what's inside. All right, my coworker. What is that? Why have they done this? Whatever. It's kind of weird. Like, it'd be just nice to have a box, but it has 2 years of warranty. Okay. All right. It's like, oh, it's a box in the box. Man. What is going on? Like, why? Okay. And I do not understand, but okay. Because this is exactly the same box. And why would you have this in such a big packaging? I don't understand. So let's just see what's inside. I'm very excited because sometimes those overhead headphones, especially when you just wanna, run around, they are just falling off your head and it's super annoying. Okay, so these guys, I hope they won't be as annoying. Oh, look at this fancy box. Moment of silence. Cool. Wow, that's a nice packaging, I must tell. Very nice. Nice packaging. Ooh, look at that beauty. Oh, they're so light. Amazing. Oh my god, they're super light. Now I understand. And they fit my noggin, actually. Nice. Nice, I like it. Okay, let's just... should be a charger. I'm not sure if they charged. Hey. Okay. More boxes. More... Well, like, what the heck? What is going on here? Oh, nice. This is how it's open. Warranty card. Serial number. Okay, well, it's my warranty card. And I'm gonna probably cut this out from the video. What do we have? We have a little pouch here. Nice gray color for these. And and a charging cable. That's all pretty much we have. And charging cable is not USB-C. It's kind of annoying, but oh, it's actually nice and flexible. I like it. Why it's annoying? Does polarity matters? Ah, look at this. That's smart. They made it in such a way that if polarity is wrong, it's like pushes away. But when it's correct, it's just snaps. Nice. So we have this power supply just right here. Let's pop it and see. I see no light. Oh no, I see like a little light right here. Hope you see it. This is charging. Okay. There is only one button. There is, I assume, this and this is microphone. And on this side, there is no microphone. Battery probably is here and here. And oh, there's 2 more buttons. Like, it's a volume button and power button. Okay. Okay. Let me connect it to the phone. Okay, let's disconnect existing headphones and pair new device. We are pairing new device. OpenRun right away. I love it. Because sometimes like take half an hour to scan all Bluetooth devices around you. Pair. I don't know, why would you need history? New? It just connected, 100% battery, so I don't even charge this guy. Let me listen to audiobook. have some audiobook here. Okay, so here's my Amazon Music, and here's some synthwave collection. Like, let's do something more active. What? Didn't do this. It sounds actually quite well. I mean, obviously my big headphones over the ear will be sounding much, much better, I'm pretty sure. But the fact is, they're so light and actually do not produce any noise when you pull them out. This is kind of crazy. So I think this would require a little bit of a testing, because I'm listening right now to the music over the Amazon Prime, Amazon Music, and it sounds fine. But like, I would like to actually run with them. Okay, there is some user manual. Obviously, bouton multifonction. I actually opened the French side. Here's the English side. Pairing, multifunction button. Yeah, I mean. So next song, let me do double click here. Didn't do that. Oh no, it did something. Yeah, switch to next song. Yeah, does pause the music. Continue, and then previous song. Three clicks. Well, what if it's not? It didn't do previous song. It's actually skipped at the beginning of that existing song. Maybe I need to do it twice. But anyways, you got the idea. Like, it's all warranty information, good and dandy. So because these headphones, I usually keep all paperwork of the head. Wait, what's this? Whoa, second charger. This is amazing. They actually supply two. Me loving it. Okay, so all this stuff gonna go back in, maybe even with the baggie at the moment. So gonna obviously user manuals. Yeah, it's not really handy to put back. This is gonna go in here. I just need not to forget that I have second one. Nice and cool. Something like that would work. Oh, actually, meh. Perfect. I honestly love them. I'm gonna cover this stain. I honestly love them. Actually, super light, super light, and nice feeling. I hope this rubber not gonna get all sticky after like 10-15 years, but who knows, my battery can die in 10-15 years. Two things I have to check. Number one, how easy, how nice it's sitting. So two very important things: how it works with sports like running, jogging, cross-country skiing, mountain biking. Oh well, cross-country skiing and running I can do, but mountain biking probably next season. Also, I would like to see, for example, if you do workout or like in HIT, how they're gonna hold, because sometimes it's a lot of jumping. About like when you do Bangra, I'm curious how that's gonna work. Also, sound quality. You have to judge sound quality. It's very obviously subjective. Another thing is the battery life. I would like to know how long is the battery life. So all two things gonna be in second follow-up video, because this is all require a little bit more testing. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap up right now. I'm really pleased with the headphones at the moment, so I need to do some testing. Please stay tuned for next video where we're gonna talk about that. Yeah, well, if you're not gonna if you're gonna be if you want to be notified, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment. Be happy to hear from you. Stay safe and ciao. Ух ты! Oh, wait a second. Little bonus. Oh my god, this is cool. Well, obviously this is gonna happen. Take a... If you wanna hear what I'm listening, look at this. Obviously, because what's gonna happen here, this vibration from the headphones is transferred through this box surface, and they create the like a speaker kind of effect here. Very nice. That's cool. And then obviously this is how it's physics, but kind of cool that it works like that. I'm gonna put them on myself and walk away.